Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S86 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me should be somewhere here. Oh, there we go. It's right over here. Now you can hold the toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize the options for it. So quickly go through them and change the settings that you want to obviously change. From there, once you have done so, you can then go back to the toggle and now simply tap on it to turn it on whenever you want to use it. Once you're done with it, you can tap on it again to turn it off. On the camera, it's not very visible, but when it's on, it's in this grayish outline of it is actually fully blue, and when it's off, obviously it's gray. Anyway, so that is how you can turn it on and off, set it up, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.